Hi, in this video I'm going to explain the working flow of a technician user on a HGEHR applications. So the process or steps will be same for lab and ophthalmic technicians or even for the radiology technicians. So right now I'm logging in with the ophthalmic technicians, and you can follow the exact same steps for a lab technician as well. So as soon as you log into a screen, you can see the screen which is in front of you. So as soon as you log into a screen, this is how it looks like, where you can see there are a few tabs which are bit different than the other user tabs, like my queue, today's patient, pending investigations, review investigations, and completed patients, right? So my queue basically means that the number of patients that are sent to you for performing investigations, and today's patients, the patients those are sent to you today for performing investigations. And pending investigations, so this includes the all the patients to whom the investigations are advised but not yet performed. So this can include old date patients. As you can see, there is a patient called 5th March, and the previous dates old patients as well. And then there is one more tab for review investigation. So review investigations is a tab is indicates or shows you the details of a patient for whom you have performed the investigations but are pending for doctor review. So you have performed but doctor has to approve. So there is one tab will be there in doctor, and in right hand side the doctors will get to know they will have a approval tab. So after you're performing, or you can send the patient to a doctor, and then doctor will review. Once they are reviewed, then the patient will go from here. So these are about the basic tabs explanations. And the completed means the to a patient who got everything and then completed today. So let us start the working flow. So on the right hand side you can see here, so the investigation details which are showing here. So all the investigation reports and the tabs are available. So there might be some hospital to hospital, because some hospital, in some hospital the patient may wrote through a counselor, so the counselor will counsel all these things, and these tabs won't be there. Then the payment will be taken in another desk. So it depends. So right now what I'm doing is I'm considering all the situations in a lab investigations or technician user itself. So I'll say all counseled and all payment taken. So for and then I will start performing the investigation. Let's say syringe I am performing, and then I'll say start test. So start test and send outside. So there is a difference. So start test, it means that you are starting inside in your hospital itself. Send outside means if there some facility is not available for some particular examinations, then you can, or investigations, then you can send outside. And then even for investigation which you have performed, or which the patient have performed outside, for them also you can upload the reports in the system. So that's not an issue. So I'll say for all the investigations I have started in performing. So once all the thing is performed, I'll say performed, and I can see select here the name user who is performing. I'll say any user I can select from here, whichever user. Default will be the user which you have logged into, and then I'll perform on. I'll say like this, and similarly I'll perform for all the investigations. I'll perform, the names remain same. So after performing, what you can do is you can create a templates where you can capture the findings for each individual investigations, right? So what you can do is you can capture individually here, or you can also capture a report or create a templates combined using this create report tab. Let's say if I click on this, it will open a common tab where you can see add findings here, findings and investigations remark, right? Similarly you can capture all these things in all the investigation. I'm just capturing some dummy data, but you can capture all the real readings and all, right? So after once this is captured, you can say create, and then to view all the reports togetherly, you can see, as you can see, the template got created by default, right? You can see here. And if you to view the reports, you have option here called view report. If you click on it, it will show you the report, basic report will be shown here. So this is how you can perform investigations and all in a technician user ID. So after this, if you want to upload some documents related to the this investigations, then you have option here called upload. If you click on it, it will ask you the two type of upload options. One is upload a paper and dicoms also you can upload, or you can also upload a paper. Say upon saying that, clicking on that, it will take you to the window, and then you can see simply upload like this and say upload a file. So say okay. So if it's refresh this page, you can see the uploads here itself. If you want to zoom it down, just click on it, it will get 3. So whatever you have uploaded like this, it will show in here, right? So if there are some previously performed investigation also, you can see here date wise, this is today's, but if the old previously, if you have performed any investigations, you will see in this tab. So once this is done, as you can see here, once this is done in review investigation, as you can see the Miss Radha patient, today's patient which we have performed right now, is available. So now what you can do is, we can send this patient to a doctor. Let's say for reviewing, I'll say to this doctor, I'll log out from here, and just to show how, and I'll log in as a doctor, and I will show you how as you can see here in a doctor's queue, Ms. Radha is a patient is showing here, and doctors can approve from here. So as we have performed the after investigation, so doctors can approve here like this, right? I'll say approve. So upon approving, as you can see, I'll just quickly log out and log in through after investigation user. So after performing and all, you can see here from the review tab, the patient like is away, and you can see in a completed, which means the complete process of this patient is so done. So the patient is showing in a completed tab. So this is the complete flow what will happen in a EHR. Watching this video, if you have any doubts or need clarification on these things, you can reach out to us.